Hey guys, are you wondering how did I manage to get so many resources in this game? Well, please make sure you watch the full video because this is a step-by-step tutorial and I've tried to make it as short as possible for you. Alright guys, as you can see, I'll open my PKXD app right now. I'll try to skip the boring parts of this video guys so you can concentrate only on the most important steps. Okay, so this is my character. The game is pretty nice and there are a lot of things to do while playing, but I've seen that it's pretty hard to gain resources and if you want to buy gems, for example, you have to pay a lot, which is not too convenient. As you can see, I currently have 30 gems and about 7,000 coins, which is very low. So let's see guys how I managed to change that. Firstly, you have to go to this site called pkgems.vip, as you can see right here, and the steps are pretty clear. You have to enter your username, then select the device you're playing on. I'm on Android, so that's what I'm choosing. Next step, you have to choose a server. It really doesn't matter which one you choose, and it doesn't have to do anything with your current location. Alright, so here I'll just enter 50k for both of the resources. Okay, so just wait a bit until the tool is connecting and adding your desired resources. So this is the most important step guys, because the website needs to check that you're a real connection and not a bot. And in order to do that, you have to follow these steps, which are very easy to do. And we'll start by clicking this green button. You have a full list of apps here, so it's your choice. And you also don't have to worry about anything because once you click any of them, you'll still get them from your official store. Most of them are pretty popular and you can also check that by seeing their number of downloads. I'll start with this social calendar one. Remember guys, each of them has a specific tasks. That's why you have to read carefully before diving into the process. For example, this one only required to run it for about 30 seconds. Now, if you're from United States, I really recommend you guys to try this app because it's pretty fun. You'll enjoy it. My friends also started with this one and they got their resources instantly. The task is to reach village number 4, which should be easy to do for a regular player. I'm just gonna skip this process again because I'm pretty sure you understood. You just have to read the instructions and once you finish, you'll be able to check if the resources have been added to your account. In this example, I'm just going to do one more. Please note that the apps may be different considering your country. They might be trickier or easier, so do not worry if you don't see these ones in your list. You can try the others as well. And the moment we've been waiting for, let's see what's happening in my PKXD account right after completing this process. Alright, I'll click on play and we'll wait a few seconds. And that's absolutely incredible, guys. Look how fast the resources are growing. I've received 50k of both, which is exactly what I asked for. I'll just put my hand over it so we can see there is no edit. This is for real. Thank you guys for watching and I really hope you enjoyed this. Have a nice time playing.